Hi, today I will show you the simple operation of an app called Portable Anti-WebMiner. Security researchers have noticed a tendency to push cryptocurrency into browsers in an attempt from various individuals and organizations to make money off users. More often than not, this happens without users' knowledge, which has risen quite a few questions about the legitimacy of such an action. Fortunately, however, there are some means of fighting against this type of slightly unethical monetization, and Portable Anti-WebMiner is one of them. Before anything else, a few words are in order about something that many users could consider obvious. As stated by the program's very name, it is a portable solution, meaning that it required no installation, and carrying around on a USB stick is possible. Regarding the application's user interface, it should be mentioned that it is as straightforward as can be, considering that you just need to hit a button in order to start benefiting from its capabilities. Once you do that, the main window notifies you of the program's status while also letting you effortlessly cease protection. As for precisely what the software utility keeps you safe from, the issue of web cryptocurrency miners need be brought into discussion. Users may want to know that lying behind the monetization of these miners are JS scripts such as CoinHive, which make your browser prone to being unresponsive, can drain the battery of your laptop, and bring about many other inconveniences. What Portable Anti-WebMiner does is block these scripts by resorting to an ever-expanding blacklist database of hosts, regardless of the browser you are using on a daily basis. Being a lightweight solution, Portable Anti-WebMiner should ensure a layer of protection against having your browsers and machines' performance exploiting without permission. It can block JS scripts allowing web cryptocurrency mining to happen behind your back, with minimal effort being required on your part. See you next video.